In the world of marketing and advertising, good copy is often misunderstood. Many believe that well-written copy should leave readers in awe, admiring the cleverness or elegance of the prose. However, effective copywriting isn't about garnering praise for its literary qualities. Instead, it's about prompting readers to take immediate action. The true measure of successful copy isn't how many people say, "Wow, that's good copy," but rather how many people act on it. The function of copy, a means to an end. Copywriting serves as the window to a storefront, with the words acting as a transparent medium through which potential customers can see what's on offer. The purpose of this window is not to be admired in and of itself, but to entice passerby to step inside. Similarly, the subtext of your copy represents the experience inside the store, the underlying value and benefits that your product or service provides. This subtext should be compelling enough to convert interest into action. Clarity over cleverness. One of the most common pitfalls in copywriting is prioritizing cleverness over clarity. While a witty turn of phrase might impress some readers, it can also obscure the message. Clear, concise, and straightforward language ensures that the reader understands exactly what is being offered and what action they are expected to take. Good copy doesn't confuse or mislead. It illuminates and directs. Emotional resonance. People are driven by emotions, and good copy taps into these emotions to prompt action. Whether it's the fear of missing out, the desire for self-improvement, or the need for security, understanding and leveraging these emotional triggers is crucial. The subtext of your copy, the experience inside the store, should resonate emotionally with your audience, addressing their pain points and aspirations. Benefits over features. A common mistake in copywriting is focusing too much on the features of a product rather than the benefits. Features are the technical aspects of a product, while benefits explain how these features improve the customer's life, how his life looks on the other side of the transformation created by using the product. For instance, a smartphone's feature might be its high-resolution camera, but the benefit is the ability to capture precious moments in stunning detail. Highlighting benefits helps the audience see the real value in what you're offering, making them more likely to take action. Urgency and scarcity. Creating a sense of urgency or scarcity can be a powerful motivator. Limited time offers, exclusive deals, and time constraints help motivate potential customers to act quickly rather than postponing their decision. This tactic taps into the psychological principle of loss aversion, where the fear of losing out on an opportunity is a stronger motivator than the prospect of gaining something of equal value. The call to action. The call to action is arguably the most critical component of effective copy. It's the moment where you explicitly tell your reader what you want them to do next, whether it's buy now, sign up, learn more, or contact us. A strong, clear, and compelling call to action is essential. It should be direct, benefit-oriented, and create a sense of urgency. Testing and iteration. Good copy doesn't happen by accident. It's often the result of rigorous testing and iteration. A and B testing different versions of your copy can provide invaluable insights into what resonates best with your audience. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your message continuously, optimizing for higher conversion rates. Storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful tool in the copywriter's arsenal. A well-crafted story can captivate your audience, making your message more memorable and impactful. Stories provide context, evoke emotions, and make abstract benefits more tangible. They humanize your brand, helping potential customers relate to you on a personal level. The invisible copy. The best copy is invisible. It doesn't draw attention to itself, but seamlessly guides the reader towards taking action. Just like the window of a storefront should be clear and unobtrusive, allowing potential customers to see inside without distraction, good copy should be transparent, highlighting the benefits and motivating the reader to act. Reading it should feel like going down a smooth slide with no friction, straight to the finish line. Conclusion. In conclusion, effective copywriting is not about earning accolades towards beauty or cleverness. It's about driving action by prioritizing clarity over cleverness, emphasizing benefits over features, tapping into emotional triggers, creating urgency, crafting compelling call to actions, and using the power of storytelling. You can create copy that not only captures attention, but also converts interest into action. Remember, the ultimate goal of your copy is not to have people marvel at your words, but to have them act on them. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And be sure to click link in bio for more.